Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on XRP on December 16th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $2.3858 mark. And at this very point I told you that we still have a chance to see this movement to the downside, to complete the C wave. And guys, by the way, I caught the majority of movements of XRP. I caught its top, I caught this retracement. Then I predicted that it should break this pattern to the upside to the level of $2.6. Then I predicted to the tick its movement to the downside with the precise price target from at this point. Then I told you that we have to see at least two waves to the upside, and potentially then we might have a movement to the downside. And you can prove my words by clicking right here. Each and every video has a link to the previous video. And on YouTube, you can find all of my videos related to XRP, and you can prove my words. That is why, guys, you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. And take a look right here. Wait a second, it is Bitcoin price. Here is the price action of XRP. And we were at this point, I told you that we are on nowhere's territory, but we still have a chance to see this quite sharp decline to the downside from the current prices. And guys, take a look right here. We had an attempt to hit high targets. And about 2 videos ago, I showed you that the ranges of resistance is golden pocket range and 0.786. And these might be two contenders to be the top of our B wave. And here we are. We have this for now, this is our top of the B wave. We hit it to the tick and then we had a trend reversal. And for now, we have a very harsh movement to the downside that potentially unfolding the bottom of the C wave. And everything I will show you in just several minutes in my technical analysis. But for now, guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to see the charts and if you want to see the structure of these price actions as I can, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much a one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again at its price action. I have to admit that let's turn off all the tools. This movement to the downside has a potentially five wave structure, and because of this I still think that we might land somewhere lower. In just a couple of minutes I will show you the forecast according to the crucial levels and the price targets for this for the upcoming several days. But for now, let's take a look at the general sentiment of the crypto market. As you can see, we are deeply in red for the majority of coins. The total crypto market cap is $3.52 trillion. It is down by 3.34% over the last day. And guys, we have why you might wonder why this crypto market is down. Here is the reason. Bitcoin, XRP and Dogecoin drop over 5% following Federal Reserve's rate cut announcement. And here is the main reason. The Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 25 basis points, bringing the benchmark to a range of 4.25% to 4.5%. Despite the cut, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's comments signaled a slower pace to further rate reductions. And this means, guys, this means that potentially we are not out of the woods on a grand scheme of things, and that is why, guys, you can see it on the stock heat map that everything is deeply in red for the last 24 hours. And definitely it is the reason of the stock of the crypto market as well to have this quite substantial decline in all of the assets. So And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Let's turn on all the tools. I told you that right after we completed all 5 waves to the upside, we have to see a retracement in the shape of ABC, some kind of simple zigzag. And this shape was caught by me to the tick, and the only concern at this point was that is it the end of the entire retracement for the movement that was made from the very beginning of November till its highest point at the very beginning of December, or this ABC is just a part of a bigger ABC. From this top we have A, B and C wave. And in my opinion, for now, we are unfolding this bigger correction. And that is why, guys, if this pivot holds, we can project the price target for the bottom of the C wave. Usually, the ratio in between A wave and C wave is 1:1. And that is why we can pull the Fib extension tool from this top to this bottom and project it from the top of the B wave. And guys, what do we have right here? We have a 1:1 extension at $1.71 mark, and it is still in this green rectangle that I marked for you as the potential accumulation point for the next major bull run. And if it happens, guys, we will have a decent, I would say, very lucrative opportunity to accumulate our position again right here, with the assumption that we might hit higher price targets. And you might wonder where we might land. And to project these price targets, guys, I have to adjust this tool. First of all, I have to pull it from the bottom of the entire wave to the top of the wave and to the bottom of the retracement. So far, the lowest point of the retracement is this one. But if and when this movement unfolds and if we hit lower price targets, we have to adjust this tool. And the price targets so far are the same. On the grand scheme of things, we might hit the top of our third wave at 1.618 extension level at $5.75 mark, or even 2.618 extension at $8.14 mark. And definitely if this asset goes lower to form its C wave below the $1.9 mark, we have to adjust this tool, and we have our price targets, as you can see, might also be slightly different. But in general, guys, I still think that we have at least a couple of waves to the upside to form its entire 5-wave structure. And that is why, guys, I'm still bullish long-term on XRP, but in the short-term perspective, let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. In the short-term perspective, we have all the chances to complete this movement to the downside as the 5-wave structure, and this means we have to have at least one more leg to the downside from this point. So it is what it is. I'm just showing you the potential movements of certain assets, and it is up to you whether or not you are comfortable with the position on these assets. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.